Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating this silvery smoky eye with this palette right here. This is from Spoiled Cosmetics. I am affiliated with them, so I do have a code for that for their website if you are interested in picking this up for yourself, which is on the screen and also down below with the link to the website. Now this palette has 9 colors and it is called Girls Night Out, which I think is very fitting. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started with this look. Okay, so to start off this look, we are going to prime the face. We are going to prime with Yanessa Essential Glow Primer right here. And for eye primer, I am using Primer Potion by Urban Decay. Okay, so we're going to go right into foundation. Today we are using Makeup Forever in Ultra HD. Now I always first put the foundation on the back of my hand. And the reason why I apply it from my hand to my face is it just gives me a little bit more control over how much I am actually putting on my face. Alright, so now we're going into eyebrows, and I am going to start off using my Private Society pencil here to draw them on, and then I'm going to separate this into 2 steps because I am going to give it a little more texture after that. So let's get started on this part. Okay, so now I'm going to use this palette right here from the Cream Shop called Holy Brow. And I am just going to focus on the 2 brown colors in the palette to give my eyebrows a little more oomph. And I am going to clean it up with the leftover foundation on my hand. Alright, eyebrows are done. We're going to go ahead and do a little bit of concealing because when I lay my eyeshadow and stuff down, I want the concealer to come through kind of under it because I want kind of a natural skin look still, but I don't want the concealer on top of the shadow, if that makes sense. So I am going to go ahead and use this right here. This is Insta Bake from Beauty Bakery, and that is what I'm concealing with. Okay, so now we're moving into the eye color, and I am using my Spoiled Cosmetics palette right here. It's not picking up quite right, but anyways, those are the colors we are working with. This is the Girls Night Out palette. So we are going to start off with this color right here. I'm going to take this brown color right here and go over the eyelid itself. Okay, so I'm going to keep using the same brush because I do want the pigments to kind of blend together. I'm going to use this one and go over the first color a little bit and kind of blend and buff it out a little bit. Okay, so now I am still using the same brush. I'm gradually mixing. So I'm going to use this dark color right here in the inner corner, and I'm going to bring it onto the eyelid a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to go under the eyes, and I'm going to start off with this really light color here, and then I'm probably going to go straight into this color right here. Okay, so last color we're going to get into is this silver right here. I am going to use it on the inner part of the eye here, and then I'm just going to do a little bit under here. Okay, so now we're going to go into the waterline, and the waterline I am using Marc Jacobs eyeliner. We are now moving into our top liner, and that would be Luna Liner by Seraphine Botanical. Alright, so now we are moving into lashes. I am going to use my Luna Magic Vava Pink Eyelash Primer right here on my top lashes, not the bottom ones, just my top lashes. And then I am going to go over that and my bottom lashes with Victoria Beckham mascara. Alright, so now we are going to give my face a little bit of dimension with some bronzing, and I'm going to use this palette right here called Summer Skin by So Susan. It is not picking up. There it is. And these are the colors we are working with. So I'm going to go over my face with a light dusting of finishing powder from Bella Paris. Okay, so now we're going to do some highlighting, and we are going to use Kavos Highlighter right here, and I am just going to stick with these two colors right here. Okay, we are moving on to blush. We are going to use Kavos Blushing Beauty. And I think I'm going to stick with these two colors right here. And I did bring my highlighter down a little bit because I plan on mixing it with the blush. Alright, I'm going to use a little setting spray. I'm going to use Pretty Fresh by ColourPop, and then I'm going to use See Out London Everyday Vacay. Okay, so I am going to use Cupcake from Sugar Rush. This is a liquid lipstick. And then I'm going to dab a little bit of this gloss color from Marc Jacobs. This is the Silver Surf. This is my finished look. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Let me know your thoughts below. Again, Spoiled Cosmetics, I am affiliated with them, so I do have a code which is on the screen. It is also down below in the description, along with the link to their website if you are interested in this palette. Otherwise, that is it of this video. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.